This is the TOTOLINK A30TOR AC1200 dual band wireless router. Let's unbox it. This is the router adapter. This is dual band wireless router. The router has 4 powerful antennas that provide internet. You will receive an Ethernet cable with the router.